Pip, a baby goat with fur the color of a sunset, lived on a small farm nestled beside a vast, whispering savanna. His days were filled with the bleating of his siblings, the comforting warmth of his mother, and the endless exploration of the small, fenced-in pasture. He'd often gaze longingly at the savanna, imagining the tall grasses swaying in the breeze and the creatures that lived within. One day, a shadow fell across the fence, a lion, magnificent and powerful, its amber eyes fixed on Pip. Pip, instead of fear, felt a strange curiosity. The lion, a young male named Leo, was weary and thin, his usual regal bearing diminished by hunger. He hadn't hunted successfully in days. He watched Pip, a tiny creature so unlike his usual prey, yet oddly captivating. Pip, emboldened by his own innocence, inched closer to the fence, his small hooves tapping softly against the wooden planks. Leo watched, his hunger momentarily forgotten. Pip offered him a tentative lick of his salty tongue towards the fence, a gesture of peace and curiosity. Leo, surprised by this unexpected offering, lowered his head slightly. He nudged the fence gently with his nose, a response to Pip's innocent gesture. Over the next few days, an unlikely friendship blossomed. Pip would bring Leo scraps of food from the farm, leaving them near the fence. Leo, in turn, would let out a soft rumbly, lion's version of a purr's, a sign of gratitude. The farmers, witnessing this peculiar relationship, were initially concerned, but they soon realized that Leo posed no threat. Indeed, he seemed to be under Pip's protection. The savanna had grown lean, and Leo was struggling. Pip's small acts of kindness, as insignificant as they seemed, kept Leo alive. One day, a storm swept across the savanna, bringing heavy rains that swelled the nearby river. Leo was caught on an isolated patch of high ground, the rising waters threatening to engulf him. Pip, seeing Leo in danger, bleated frantically, attracting the attention of the farmers. They, guided by Pip, managed to rescue Leo using a small boat. Leo, weak but alive, looked at Pip with immense gratitude. Their unlikely friendship had saved his life. From that day on, Leo continued to visit Pip, but now, his amber eyes held not just hunger, but also the deep respect for the small goat who had shown him such kindness. Pip, no longer just a curious baby goat, had become a symbol of hope and friendship, proving that even the most different creatures can find common ground, and that a little kindness can go a long way. The farmers, touched by their bond, left a small gap in the fence, allowing Pip and Leo to share moments of quiet companionship, a testament to the extraordinary friendship that blossomed between a baby goat